In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Learn section and open lessons, or how to play. Our goal is simple. Locate the Learn area on a site or app and open either lessons or how to play so you can get clear guidance fast. Start by looking at the main navigation bar. On a computer, this is usually a horizontal strip near the top of the page with items like Home, Play, Community, and in our case, Learn. Take a slow scan from left to right. You're looking specifically for the word Learn, which is often placed near the center or right side and sometimes styled to stand out. If you're on a phone or tablet, the navigation might be collapsed into a small icon, often 3 lines in the corner. Tap that icon to open the full menu, then scroll through the options until you see Learn. Don't worry if it isn't immediately visible. Menus can be longer on mobile and may require a quick swipe to reveal everything. Once you've found Learn, either hover your mouse over it on desktop or tap it on mobile. Many sites use a drop-down or panel that appears when you interact with Learn. In that panel, look for 2 common choices: Lessons and How to Play. Lessons typically offer structured, step-by-step guidance with clear topics, while How to Play is usually a concise overview or quick start guide. Choose the one that matches your needs. If you're brand new, How to Play is a great primer. If you want a deeper dive, pick Lessons for a more organized path. If nothing appears when you hover, click Learn to open its dedicated page. From there, you'll usually see both Lessons and How to Play listed as prominent links or buttons. If the top bar is hidden by a cookie notice or a banner, close or minimize that message so the navigation becomes visible. On smaller monitors, zooming out slightly or maximizing your browser window can also reveal the full menu. Occasionally, the site design updates or your language settings shift labels slightly, but the Learn area remains part of the main navigation in most layouts. If you're using a screen reader, navigate to the primary navigation region, then move through the links until you reach Learn, and activate it to access Lessons or How to Play. That's all there is to it. Locate Learn on the main navigation, open it, and select Lessons or How to Play to get the guidance you need. Pause here, try it on your device, and you'll be learning with confidence in no time.